Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2012 Kawasaki EX650R. This bike's got a little over 14,000 miles on it and is in great shape. Has been tipped over gently on both sides, but it's all pretty minimal, so we'll take a walk around it. I'll show you what I found and then we'll fire it up. Excuse me. As you can see here, the front end is still in good shape. Tires are in great shape. Look like they've got a lot of miles left on them. So, excuse me, when it was tipped over here on the right, they broke the mirror off, which they look like they tried to glue back on. So it looks like there's a little strip of adhesive here. So we're going to be putting a new mirror on there. It also scraped up the bar end, the lever, and a little bit of the middle fairing here. The bike does come with a tank pad. It also has a fender eliminator with LED rear blinkers. And you can tell by the back tire that's in excellent condition. You can see there's a lot of miles left on these wheels. So, and on this side, got a couple of scratches on the engine cover here. And again, a little bit on the middle fairing and bar end. So you can see it's been set down on both sides, but it's pretty minimal. You know, it's really minor right along the edges, so still a great looking bike. Oh, it also has sports bars on it. 14,166 is what's on it. This EX650R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.